Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have TORY Lanez here back again, this time with the song called KAME HOUSE. So, cool song there, has this Tory DNA all over it. So, let's dive into this one. No need for any cape on this, alright? We have 5 different chords to learn, so let's dive right into these chords. Starting here with the A minor. So that will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the E minor 7 there, so that is very simple. All strings are open except from the second A there. So second A string, all strings open. That's your E minor 7. We have the F major 7. That is third on D, second on G, first B, and open E. Alright. The next chord will be a version of the G6 chord. So what you do there from the F major, then you will play the G6 and you just slide from this grip and land with the exact same grip there on this position instead. So you slide 2 frets towards your body and then you will land on 5th D, 4th G, 3rd B, and open E. So that's your G6, and then we have D minor 7 as the end chord here. So that will be the open D, second G, first B, and first E. And what I do there with the B and E string, I just place a short little bar there, so I don't have to incorporate all these fingers like this. A little bit harder. Just place a bar there on the first fret, E and B string, and then add the second G and incorporate the open D string there as well. So there you have different chords: A minor, E minor, F major, G, and the D minor. All right, so we're gonna look at this with a strumming pattern here. You could play just 1 down per chord here, but I think that is a little bit empty here for this song. So we're gonna play this with a strumming. Could be a little bit tricky there, but I'm gonna try to explain for as good as I can. So let's start with the A minor there, and you're gonna play 1 full string around that one. It sounds like this. All right. Pretty long one, but we need to divide this. So we're gonna look at the different parts here. The first part will be like this. Okay. So that will be the down, down, up, up. Okay. So down, down, up will be the part 1. And then you're gonna play the part 2. It continues. So that will be down, down, up, down, down, up. All right. So part 1 will be down, down, up. And then part 2 will be down, down, up, down, down, up. So if you combine these 2 parts, it will be okay, so down, down, up, part 1, and then down, down, up, down, down, up, part 2. So we're gonna split these even further here with a part 3. We're gonna split part 2 into different parts as well. We'll come to that. But the first line, so to speak, the first row of this chord progression will be A minor, 1 full round. Then you're gonna play E minor, part 1, and F major, part 2. And this is the most common part or chord progression in this song. So A minor, 1 full round, E minor, part 1, and F major, part 2. Slowly, it goes like this. And in tempo. Right? That is the most common chord progression, like I said, or part of it. Then we have this where I talked about to even split the part 2 into 2 different parts. So we'll get even a part 3 here. So what you do there, you're gonna play A minor, still 1 full round, then E minor, part 1. And then you're gonna go to F major and play starting point of part 2. You play the down, down, up, up. And then you slide and play the final part of this, which will be now part 3, the final part, ending part of part 2, down, down, up, with this G chord. So A minor, 1 full round, and E minor, part 1. So far no changes, and now we're gonna split the part 2 with these 2 chords, F major and the G. And you're gonna play the F major, down, down, up, up, and then slide up and play down, down, up. So slowly this round here with A minor, E minor part 1, F major part 2, and G part 3, if you may say that, it will go like this slowly. And in tempo. So that is the hardest part of the song here. Then we're gonna play the next round here in the same way as we play the first round. So A minor, 1 full round, the E minor part 1, and the F major part 2. So that's the third row, so to speak, of this chord progression, and the final will be A minor part 1. No, sorry, A minor, 1 full round, then D minor part 1 and E minor part 2. So A minor, 1 full round, then D minor part 1, down, down, up, up, and then you end with E minor part 2. So that will be the fourth and final row out of this chord progression, if you may call it that. It's a very long chord progression there, and this is what works most part of this song here. Sometimes it doesn't go in this order, just have to listen for it. It goes sometimes a little irregular, but here you have the full spectra of what you can play here for TORY LANEZ KAME HOUSE. So if you follow this, it will be very close through the entire song, and sometimes jump out of this and just play perhaps A minor, E minor, and F major 2 times in a row. That happens sometime in the song. You have to carefully listen for it and then play along there. But there you have all the tools for handling this song. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please leave me a like here on this tutorial. Until next time, play tuned.